Hello students, now we are going to discuss about aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. Do you know one thing? When we are talking about aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid, all comes under organic chemistry. You know which is the backbone of organic chemistry? Yes, of course, carbon only is the backbone of organic chemistry. Now, all these compounds, aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid, comes under carbonyl group. Carbonyl group means carbon attached with oxygen by a double bond. So, this is called what it is? Carbonyl group. So carbonyl group, carbon, how many valency of carbon? You know very well, tetravalency, number of carbon, valency of carbon, it is 4, you know very well. So carbon attached with oxygen by a double bond. Along with both the sides, something is waiting. Okay, now how can we, this is the main part. Carbonyl group is the main part of aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid. Now, how can we differentiate aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid with this formula? Now, aldehyde, when we are talking about aldehyde, carbon attached with oxygen by a double bond along with alkyl or aryl group attached with hydrogen atom. So, this is the formula, general formula of aldehyde. So, what is the aldehyde formula? R C double bond OH or CHO. CHO is the general formula of aldehyde. Next one, ketone. Ketone, what is the formula? Anyway, you know very well which is the backbone of all these three things, carbonyl group. So, carbonyl group attached with that something else, right? Okay, the same way, C double bond O, this side and this side, 4 valency, right? So, this side alkyl and this side alkyl or aryl. So, this is the general formula of ketone. So, you can differentiate very easily. Here R C double bond O R dash, that means R means alkyl or aryl or alkyl or alkyl. Anyway, but middle part it is carbonyl compound. So, this is different from aldehyde. So, what is the functional group of aldehyde? CHO. What is the functional group of ketone? C double bond O. Now you know very well. So along with both the side, something else it's coming. Next one, carboxylic acid. What is the functional group of carboxylic acid? Because main what it is, main part, what it is, backbone of carboxylic acid, you know what it is? C double bond O. Now this side what it is? Of course, alkyl or aryl group will be there. And this side hydroxyl group is there. So this is the general formula of carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid, what is that formula? R C O O H. This is the way also we can write it in a simple way to understand. So now easily you can differentiate aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid. CHO comes means naturally it is a aldehyde. You just understand that CHO comes under with that aldehyde. Next one, ketone comes C double bond O. That is the functional group. And carboxylic acid COOH. It is a functional group. Now, next one, even some more names also it is available. You know what are the things? Upcoming lessons we learn amides, acid halides, anhydride, all those things we can learn. Now, we just get some ideas what are the names of the compound. I'll give some examples of aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid. Now aldehydes. Aldehydes example. So what is the aldehyde example? CH3 CHO. So this is the example of aldehyde. So what is the name of it? Acetaldehyde. This what it is? Acetaldehyde. CH3 CHO. It's acetaldehyde. Now one more thing. You know what it is? Acetaldehyde. Okay, I'll tell you later. Next one, HCHO. Only one carbon it is there. What is this? Formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. Okay, now next one. CH3, CH2, CHO. What it is called? This is acetaldehyde. This is formaldehyde. And this is 3 carbons are there. Propanaldehyde. Aldehyde. Okay, now like this, ketones also, I'll give some names. Ketones. I'll give some examples. So, ketone example, what it is? CH3, CO, CH3. So, this is the example of ketone. What is the name of it? Acetone. One thing I'll tell you about the ketones. Ketone, to get the formula, to make the formula, we need minimum 3 carbons. How come 3 carbons? 1 carbon attached with the double bond of oxygen. So that is the main backbone, I've told you. Both the side alkyl or aryl, that is a carbon compound only. So here at least a minimum 3 carbons are there, then only you can make it ketone. Or else aldehyde, only 1 carbon, 2 carbons also available for aldehyde, because one alkyl group, another carbon attached with hydrogen and oxygen. So this is the functional group of CHO. But here the functional group C double bond O attached with both the side alkyl or aryl. Next one, here CH3, CH2, CO, CH2, CH3. What is the name of this? Yes, I'll tell you. This is ethyl group. This side also ethyl group. So, both the side ethyl attached with middle part of carbonyl compound. So, how can we give the name? Dimethyl ketone.